What's up guys, Some Guy with Tools, Andrew here. Today we're taking a look at the Wera 4-piece Joker 6004 self-adjusting wrench set. It comes in the nice flat folding carrying case that Wera always puts their tools in. And it includes the 6004 small through large. So we'll get them out. Sorry, the Wera extra, the 6004 extra small through large. With these 4 wrenches, the 6004 extra small will take care of a 7mm through 10mm, which is 1/4 inch through 3/8. The Joker small will take care of 10mm through 13, which is 7/16 up to 1/2 inch. The Joker medium will take care of 13mm through 16, 1/2 inch through 5/8. And the Joker large will take care of 16mm through 19, 5/8 through 3/4. The beauty of these wrenches compared to a standard adjustable wrench is that when you slide the jaw around, the jaws will open themselves up. And as you get onto the nut or the fastener that you're wanting to loosen or tighten, the jaw will grip, and as you turn, it stays gripped. And then as you pivot the handle back to re-bite, the jaw opens and then closes and clamps back down on the bolt. So you get all 4 sizes covered in one kit. It comes nice. It lays flat and folds nice and thin. Doesn't take up much room in your toolbox. I'll be putting this set to use, posting more pictures about it over on Instagram. Make sure you follow along over there. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that like button for the video. And I definitely appreciate every single one of them and every single one of you for subscribing and following along. In addition to the 4-piece set, which is going from extra small up to large, handling 7mm, 1/4 inch, all the way up through 19mm or 3/4, Wera also sells the 6004 extra large. This will handle 24mm through 32mm or 15/16 through 1.25 inches. This is the big daddy of the 4-piece set. This does not come with the set. This is sold separately, but it's definitely, if you deal with any kind of larger fasteners, it's going to save you a lot of time. I've already put it through good use, working on tearing apart and rebuilding a centrifugal pump strainer here this past weekend. If you have any questions about any of the 5 wrenches or the set itself or the XXL individually, be sure and drop me a comment and let me know. I'll see you on the next one.